I'm really excited to tell you about my new online workshop, which is Urban Sketching Sunflower Edition. And in this workshop, you're invited to watch over my shoulder and sketch along with me as I draw a gorgeous cluster of sunflowers from life. You can sketch from the video, or you can choose from 8 different photos of the sunflowers taken from different angles. In the first part of the workshop, we're going to make a grayscale preliminary sketch that will help us to work out the overall shape and composition, and also the relationship between the different objects. In the second part of the workshop, we'll allow the personality of the sunflowers to blossom as we make our proper full colour sketch. This workshop lasts nearly 2 hours and it includes professional tips. It's going to be really great fun, and I so hope you're going to be able to come along and join me. To subscribe, please visit www.studio56boutique.com and click on the pull down menu that's called Online Workshops.